Dean Davison, LiveWeatherBlogs.com. Meteorologist here. Overnight outlook time: 18 Hot Springs, 25 Lewisburg, 21 Bluefield, 21 Blacksburg, 28 Roanoke, 23 Galax, 31 Danville, 27 in Lynchburg. And the national temperatures: 26 Boston, 33 Washington, 25 Chicago, 23 Minneapolis, 11 Billings, 42 Seattle, 35 Salt Lake City, 57 in Los Angeles, 41 Santa Fe, 69 with the warm air. Getting into the 80s here in Dallas, Texas, 56 in New Orleans, and 63 in Miami. Taking a look at the satellite, we have a Clipper system that's going to generally move to the south and the east, spread some rain and possibly mixed in with some snow showers over the area. Nothing major, but that will set us up for what we're going to see coming up here by Christmas Eve. We may be getting ourselves into a very interesting situation coming up Christmas Eve. Taking a look at the synoptic maps, we have feet. We're talking about 13 to 15 feet of snow found in California, and in the Intermountain West we have a lot of heavy snow. This is the Clipper moving down, going to bring some precipitation as the other low moves away. You see as this moves along, we get some interesting stuff going on. We're talking even Wednesday, we get some possibility of some snow, and this is going to set up Thursday for the next low pressure system to start getting its act together. What's going to happen with that? We're expecting it to transfer some energy to the coastline, and what goes on from there, we'll have to see. The computer models are showing some good agreement now on a few things, that in the south here we may be dealing with some snow, Christmas Eve to Christmas, and I'll show you that. This is 18Z GFS. You can see where the lows are located down in North Carolina. It'll be enough cold air in place here for the Roanoke area to get some snow. This would be Christmas Eve. Then the storm starts to crank itself up off the coast. Enough cold air here. We're talking about DC, we're talking about Washington, we're talking about Philadelphia. You can get into the snow, and also here, along here on Roanoke Valley, and we're going to go to the next hour. 126, this thing continues its thing, and this is going to project itself to the northeast. This is called some snow in the Delaware Valley up to Boston. If you look at the Euro, look at this. This is the same hour period. This low, it's 996. It's sitting right off the Carolina coast. It's going to spread precipitation right back here. This is the 12 Zulu run of the Euro, and that's a pretty significant thing. If this stays on track, these models stay on track, which they may or may not, we'll keep watching it, and that's why you have to watch LiveWeatherBlogs.com for the latest. We can have a very interesting storm here upcoming for Christmas Eve and Christmas. So it's gonna be fun to see how this all pans out. We're gonna take a look now at another model. Here's the Canadian model, and this is very similar. This is all giving a similar pattern here of what could happen here with this low. This is a little further to the east, but not much further, and it's saying the same thing. You know, this would still give a good amount of precipitation, especially in this predicament, to Carolina. Just pushing a little further out to sea, but we'll still get, in this one would probably give New Jersey a better shot at it. Alright, we'll go to another model now called the No Gaps. No Gaps is rather feisty here. It's negative tilted, and it's very feisty. It's blowing this thing up off of the Carolina coastline. So this is where No Gaps is kind of, it may strengthen it quicker. This would be a solution that somebody that likes seeing a lot of snow overfoot would love to see. But there's just a few computer models, all in the same hour periods, in the 130 hour, 140 hour period, that is showing that this storm is now projecting itself along the coast and looks to give us precipitation, heavy wet precipitation, which includes snow and heavy bouts of snow up to the northeast. And above that, I would say, on just a first call basis, this is Monday. This is a very sketchy outline. But I would say it's going to at least, if these all stick, we would have at least 4 inches of snow throughout the whole entire thing. And we're talking about massive amounts more possible. It's something like the No Gaps model coming into situation, we're looking over a foot of snow. So stay with LiveWeatherBlogs.com for the latest information as these models continuously change. You know, we keep you updated here. We got the winter storm warnings up here in the northern plains. We have the flood advisories here in California, and this is all projected south to the northeast, into the middle Atlantic and northeast, with some precipitation coming tomorrow. Roanoke Valley forecast: 22 increased clouds overnight, 40 degrees with rain, mixing with some sleet possibly on Tuesday and Tuesday night, and then coming decreasing clouds on Wednesday with 43 degrees, 28 Wednesday night, 38 Thursday, 41 Friday, and here we come Friday night. chuggity chuggity, 50% chance of snow. 50% chance of snow. And the Weather Service is getting very feisty in their wording. And I'll show you, I'll go down and we can read the wording together. This is Roanoke. Christmas Day, snow likely. That is pretty good when it comes to that. They're calling for snow likely on Saturday, and it's only Monday. That's a pretty good chance that they're getting pretty good confidence on this. In the Triad, 27 overnight, 46 Tuesday, 50 Wednesday with chance of sprinkles, 43 Thursday, partly sunny Friday. But Friday night, we're looking at some precipitation coming in, and that would be in a chance of rain in the Triad, maybe mixed with some sleet. And unfortunately, if you live in a Triad, it looks like it's going to be all rain. Alright, stay with LiveWeatherBlogs.com for the latest of all weather information. We'll keep you updated of these ever-changing computer models as they come in, and give you the best analysis possible. For LiveWeatherBlogs.com, this is meteorologist Dean Davison with your overnight outlook. See you tomorrow.